From that nigga to a cracker, cheddar to a packer, entertainment for the slave, and a hollow to the master. Stingy to a bitch without no care or a plan. You a liability, the only asset is my pants. Like a watching HBCU, bullshit what I see through. Thermal large intestines break them like a crash preview. Scanning new investments while these lanes popping balloons. Mentals I'm addressing, who don't mind going postal. Counting difficulty on easy rock, vibing to a Panther purse, no Jamaican bomber clock. Insert a different smugger so they play my jam and drops. Got the woofers busting like a leaky transit lights. Nigga, I'm petty if you can't tell. Record you talking shit about the manager for blackmail. And some more devious shit, but leave it right there. Type of time I could be on, numbers don't exist here. So who they fucking with, I've yet to witness this holy phenomenal deity that's in existence. And they gon' say I'm throwing shots, but they drinking Christians. I only ask logical questions cause so much is hidden. They don't know me, but often misquote me. I don't want her if the pretty bitch ain't roly-poly. You got your preference, nigga, like choice of gas you rolling. All that group thinking and deep riding, I'm opposing. Fuck a luxury brand, this shit from Amazon. She in Walmart, nigga, saving, investing bonds. Get some life insurance before you purchase a gun. Had nothing before, too